Hi everybody, right now I'm standing on the street here and I'm just using the lights coming from cars right now. So you can see right here, here comes some cars right now, and you can see the lights shining on me right now. Pretty bright, isn't it? So you can get by with just using lights coming from cars. Now if I turn around the other way, you can see the difference. Now I'm more backlit and whatnot. So you can see that nice. But this way here, definitely have more light coming out on me. So as always, rock and roll, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of amazing content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel because that would totally compute. Yeah, computed. Here comes car now. So you just do it. It's like that.